Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of lawn care with what I believe to be the best lawn fertilizer nitrogen available in the market, Scott's Green Max Lawn Food. If you're like me and take pride in having a green, vibrant lawn, then this product is for you. Scott's Green Max isn't just your average lawn fertilizer. It's a dual-action formula that not only feeds your lawn but also provides a deep greening in just 3 days. Just imagine, within 3 days, your lawn transformed from dull and lackluster to lush and vibrant. That's the power of Scott's Green Max. What sets Scott's Green Max apart is its unique formulation, containing 5% iron, a micronutrient that works wonders in enhancing the greening process. And here's the best part. It's guaranteed not to stain concrete, driveways, or other surfaces surrounding your lawn when used as directed. Now, let's talk application. Whether it's spring, summer, or fall, Scott's Green Max is suitable for any grass type. And applying it is a breeze. Simply use a Scott's spreader for optimal results. For broadcast, rotary spreaders, use a setting of 3 3/4 for the recommended rate or 3 1/4 for the regular rate. And for drop spreaders, a setting of 7 1/2 for the recommended rate or 7 for the regular rate will do the trick. Each 16.67 lb. bag covers an impressive 5,000 square feet, ensuring you get maximum coverage for your lawn. And with its easy-to-use granule form, you'll have your lawn looking its best in no time. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of satisfied customers have sung praises for Scott's Green Max. From its ease of use to its effectiveness in promoting healthy, green grass, this product delivers on its promises. So, if you're ready to take your lawn to the next level and achieve that envy-worthy greenery you've always dreamed of, look no further than Scott's Green Max Lawn Food. Your lawn will thank you for it. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your experience with lawn fertilizers. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Happy lawn care!